Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious flavor-packed chili con carne. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. So I'll make a start by finely chopping one medium-sized onion. Then I'll roughly chop 4 cloves of garlic. Next I'll de-seed and dice 1 large red pepper. In a heavy base pan, I'll warm 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll fry off the onions till they're soft and have a light colour. Then in goes the 4 cloves of garlic and red peppers. I'll keep it moving under a medium heat for a couple of minutes. And now I'll go in with my spices. I'll add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next up, a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And in goes a teaspoon of chili powder. And a teaspoon of ground cumin. I'll stir that in and allow the spices to infuse under a medium heat for a couple of minutes. Then I'll go in with 500 grams of lean minced beef. I've turned the heat up to the high setting at this point and I'll break the mince up. I'll keep it moving. I want the meat to brown, but I don't want it to form a liquid. Once the mince is browned, I'll stir in 2 generous tablespoons of tomato puree and I'll stir that in really well. Now I'll stir in a 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes. One beef stock cube. I'll add 300 millilitres of boiling water. I'll turn the heat up at this point until it boils a little. Once it starts to boil, I'll turn the heat down to medium and allow to cook with the lid on, checking in between times for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking, I've rinsed a tin of pre-cooked kidney beans and I'll stir those through. Give my sauce a taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more chili, salt, pepper or other spices if needed. And then I'll add a couple of squares of dark chocolate and leave to cook with the lid on for a further 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking, I'll check my chili again for seasoning before taking it off the heat. And there it is, easy to make, flavor-packed chili con carne. And of course you can get more portions from this by adding more kidney beans and extra tomatoes. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, comment and share with anyone you think might enjoy this recipe. And for more delicious recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.